Okay, so I've just replaced this battery with this one that I bought off Amazon. And it's a 2-pin. This little piece was actually seated on those 2 pins, however it's removable easily. Well, not easily, I had to use like tweezers. Unplugging this was very difficult. You had to go at a weird little side-to-side tugging, and then it finally came out. Direct pulling away from the insertion point didn't really seem to work well. It was like pulling on the circuit board. That side-to-side pull movement was able to get it out. And then you had to pull this out to make room for this 2-pin connector. Let me plug it back in and show you that it's working. You can pick a smaller battery. I just chose this one because I thought, hey, maybe I can get away with charging less frequently. And moment of truth, you can see works. I've seen some other people, this person literally, the battery started to swell. Same with mine. I know that at least one other person's gonna run into this and they might be curious, so hope this answers the question for you, and get a smaller capacity replacement battery, because yeah, it'll fit. I just got the wrong size. So, all right, thanks for watching.